You could be committing fraud if you transfer your parents' property into your name when they pass away without going through the probate process, even if you are listed on the will to inherit that property. The reason being is that you have to go through probate to transfer assets out of your parents' estate into your name. And when you don't do that, it's called a fraudulent transfer. And so the way you do this is when they pass away, you grab their death certificate, the original will, and the petition to probate, and you file those documents at the probate courts in the county where your parents lived. The courts will open up the probate process and give you the letters of testamentary. That gives you the authority to manage the assets inside the estate. You get an EIN number for the estate, open up an estate bank account, go to the lender and the insurance company, and you take the death certificate, which would prove that your parents passed away, and the letters of testamentary, which proves you have the authority to manage the assets inside the estate, and you take over the payments for the property inside the estate. At the same time, you would be publicly notifying creditors that your parents have passed away. They will come to you and say, hey, here's the debts that your parents owed us, and you'll use assets inside the estate to pay those debts off. Once you have paid off those debts, you can distribute the assets out per the instructions inside of that will. Once those are distributed out, you would do the final accounting and petition the courts to discharge you as the executor of the estate, and then they will approve of that or not, and then they will close out the probate process, and you'll be done. If you want help with any of this, click the link in the bio, fill the form, and schedule a time to talk to some of our team.